Yankees catcher Jose Trevino has a tear in his right wrist that will require surgery, likely sidelining him for the rest of the season. The 30-year-old Trevino was placed on the 10-day injured list before Friday's game against Kansas City. He has been playing with the injury throughout the season. "I know how much this hurts, how invested he is obviously in our team," Yankees manager Aaron Boone said. "So certainly feel for him, but it was getting to a point where we had to go get it taken care of." Trevino said he thinks surgery is the right move. He was unsure of when he got hurt other than remembering he started feeling the pain during spring training. "I knew what I was getting myself into," Trevino said. "I knew it was going to come to a point where I couldn't take the pain anymore." Trevino is batting .210 with 4 homers and 15 RBIs in 55 games. He made the All-Star team and won a Gold Glove last year, when he hit .248 with a career-high 11 homers and 43 RBIs in 115 games after being acquired from Texas late in spring training. To replace Trevino, catcher Ben Rotwitt was recalled from AAA Scranton Wilkes-Barre. He will get his first extended look since he was acquired in a trade with Minnesota in March 2022. Rotwitt began the season on the injured list after undergoing surgery for an aneurysm in his left shoulder. He played 5 games with New York in May, going 2 for 7 and scoring 2 runs.